Okay, driving the 1990 Toyota Crown station wagon. This morning when I went to drive it, I noticed a little bit of noise coming from the left lower control arm area. Actually, it's not going to do it now. See if I can make it happen. There, you can hear it when I hit the brakes hard. When I do the brakes lightly, which is the normal way to do brakes, it makes no noise. So, took it to a shop. They checked it out, said that it has bad bushings in the lower control arm. From no damage, just from age. So I want to let everybody know, if we want to stop the auction, I can have that pull it. But thoughts? Thanks.